Today, we will teach you how to buy a script. First, click on the search button. If you want to search a stock, please type the script name which you want to buy. There should not be any space between the words. Here you can see NSE, BSE and BL. BL is the right issue, NSE is the EQ and BSE is A. Once you click on the code button, you will see the depth, technical, info and technical. Now you click on either buy or sell. We click on buy. Select the quantity, the price that you want and click on more. Over here we have RL, SL, PO, CA2. RL means regular order, SL means stop loss, PO means post-market order and CA2 means right issue. We have a trigger price, disclose quantity. We have two order validity types, day and IOC. Day means where you place a market order. It will be open till 3:30. IOC means immediate or cancel. The order will get either initiated at the moment or cancelled at the moment. Now we have two order types, CNC and intraday. CNC, cash and carry, is for delivery where you want to hold the stock for more than a day. Intraday is for order where you want to buy or sell within a day. Now we place an order. Confirm the order by selecting yes. To view the order, you click on the transaction tab and you can see the status. The script you bought under all orders. Now, again we are searching for a script. Once you select an BSE order, we go to buy, select the quantity, price that you want, same as RL, SL, PO and CA2. Now for the validity option we have EOSES. EOSES means end of session, an order to buy or sell a security that automatically expires if not executed by 3:30. EOD is end of day and IOC is immediate or cancel. Once you place the order, confirm the order by selecting yes and the order is being placed. Again, for transactions, you can go to order book, all orders and you can see the order.